idea was to organize a competition among students from all over the world to compose a song together as a real hymn of the Year of Sound. The title of the competition and of the song initially was My Word of Sound, but then we thought that the sound of the word was better. So we asked our talented composers to write the music. We wrote the lyrics of the refrain and kicked off the competition. Each school, class, group of secondary school students from every country could participate by writing and sending some verses or a stanza of the song. Also, primary school children could participate by sending drawings inspired by the basic idea of the song. The idea that the word is their word and that they are the sound of the word.
Let's start from the beginning. The year 2020 was declared the International Year of Sound by the International Commission for Acoustics, which was based on the UNESCO Charter of Sound 39C/59/2017. Initiatives were organized to highlight the importance of sound in all aspects of life on Earth and to promote an understanding of issues related to sound at the national and international level. On January 31st, 2020, the main activities of a packed program were presented in the Grand Amphitheatre of the Sorbonne in Paris. The ICA organized a series of initiatives, including the International Year of Sound Student Competition. The team immediately set to work, creating pages, events, and groups on social networks. They've been useful instruments for the competition. At the same time, they were also used for promotion of the scheduled events of the International Year of Sound. Above all, musicians worked on composing the music. The words would be written by students all over the world.
The lyrics written by Sergio Luzzi were recorded in the chorus and in one verse. We left the second verse empty in order to give some space of participants' creativity. Thank you to all kids that participated. You were amazing.
Secondary schools from several countries accepted the invitation to compose lyrics, while primary schools were involved in drawing their world of sound. Their contributions became the soundtrack and visual imagery of the IYS gallery.
The common trait of International Year of Sound was the importance of sound for society and the world. Sound describes landscapes and it's also an essential part of communication among humans, not just for speaking and listening, because sounds can inform, can warn of dangers, and also healing the soul. I think about music, for example. And so the song, the sound of the world was born. The motto has inspired the dances and the drawings elaborated by the students for the competition.
No one could ever have imagined that shortly after, the world would face a global pandemic that would upend all of our lives. While some initiatives were postponed or cancelled, the student competition continued. The International Year of Sound became 2020 Plus and extended into 2021, as did the competition, which extended into the 2020-2021 school year.
So nice, these boys and girls singing the sound of the world.
Sure, all their clips will be assembled in a final video.
Wow, what a complicated work.
Yes, it is complicated, but not for Gianluca, our great video maker.
No problem. We can work it out.
We are sure, more than sure, you'll make it.
Of our world. The student competition successfully reached its aim, according to international and national representatives and coordinators.
We learned about rhythm and fraction.
The International Year of Sound is an initiative of the International Commission for Acoustics aiming at conveying the message that sound is important for society and the world. One of its major events or activities is the students' competition. Through this competition, the youth all over the world are involved in understanding and promoting the message that sound is very important for their lives.
The aim of the student competition was to encourage the youth of the world to consider and express what sound means to them in their world and in their culture. We're absolutely delighted in the high standard of the entries and the creativity that these display, highlighting the understanding by the youth of the world of the importance of sound.
The Spanish Acoustical Society has disseminated the information on the student competitions in different ways. First, a mailing has been sent to more than 2,000 schools. In addition, we asked the regional educational authorities to put the contest information on their websites. Finally, the information has been distributed among the parents' associations.
The competition office received numerous contributions from around the world.
Let's have a look at the International Year of Sound student competition statistics. Approximately 15,000 kids from 5 to 18 years old have been actively involved. the competition coordinator office got in touch with 39 national representatives and received contributions from 16 nations worldwide. More than 650 drawings have been received by national representatives for the first competition category, and more than 50 stanzas have been collected as well for the second category.
Primary school students created a great number of beautiful drawings. While some of them looked like real paintings inspired by sound, others were more scientifically based. And all of them have been evaluated by experts and by the general public.
The competition is structured in two categories. One of them is the competition for students of primary and middle schools. Students were asked to produce drawings or similar related to their world of sounds. The items have been evaluated by the expert jury and web jury, which selected the winners of international competition. The web jury assigned almost 5,000 likes for the drawings on the official Facebook page. The steering committee assigned awards to the best 3 items: first prize to Turkey, second prize to Chile, and third prize to Hong Kong.
The second category of the international competition is addressed to students from secondary schools who are asked to write a stanza of 4 verses inspired by the refrain of the song The Sound of the World. The combination of expert and web jury scores ranked Italy in first place, tied with Spain. The third prize was assigned to Spain. Moreover, 23 video and audio tracks have been sent, and special mentions have been assigned for the additional effort in producing original audio-video contributions.
The IYS Steering Committee processed the votes received from both the expert jury and the popular web jury, and announced the awards and special mentions granted to the winners of the International Year of Sound 2020-2021 student competition. We congratulate all the winners for their excellent achievement. Many participants who joined the IYS student competition gave positive feedback about their experience.
Lo empezamos a plantear como algo incluido en todo nuestro contenido musical a lo largo del primer trimestre del año pasado, de manera que nos concienciáramos un poquito de lo importante que es el sonido, lo importante que es reconocer diferentes sonidos en el ambiente, cómo nos pueden ayudar esos sonidos y al mismo tiempo cómo hay ruidos que nos pueden perjudicar, cómo podemos cuidarnos también de esos ruidos. Y bueno, empezamos a abrir debates en las sesiones de música y empezamos a hablar de diferentes sonidos que tenemos en nuestro ambiente, en casa, en el colegio, cuando los niños y niñas se van a hacer deporte, el sonido del agua, el sonido al caminar, todo tipo de sonido. La verdad es que los niños y niñas lo pasaban súper bien, contando diferentes anécdotas y disfrutando de esas pequeñas cosas.
La competizione My World of Sounds ha rappresentato l'occasione per svolgerle un lavoro multidisciplinare condiviso con insegnanti di arte, inglese e musica. Il progetto, ideato dagli studenti della terza E della scuola secondaria di primo grado Puccini di Firenze, nasce dall'osservazione di come il paesaggio sonoro italiano varia con le stagioni, per cui il suono della pioggia d'inverno, quello dei passi sulle foglie cadute in autunno, gli uccelli che cantano in primavera. Tutti suoni magici che ci appartengono e ci emozionano.
This is how the song The Sound of the World was created. Children from all over the world sing the anthem of the Year of Sound, which they wrote and designed to remind us that together it's possible to design the beauty and importance of sound for society and for the world. And to sing together the song, We are the sound of the world.
Wow.